Today, I'm going to show you how to change your logo in WordPress, whether you're using the default theme, a premium theme, or Elementor. This is essential for branding your website and making it look professional, so let's get started. First, go to your WordPress website's admin dashboard and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main dashboard with all your site management options displayed on the left sidebar. Now look at the left sidebar and click on Appearance. This section controls all the visual aspects of your website, including themes, menus, and customization options. From the Appearance menu, click on Customize. This will open the WordPress Customizer, which is a live preview editor that lets you see changes in real time before publishing them to your site. Inside the Customizer, you'll see several options listed. Look for Site Identity and click on it. This section contains all the fundamental branding elements for your website, including your site title, tagline, and logo. It's the central place where you establish your site's visual identity. Within Site Identity, you'll see an option that says either Select Logo or Change Logo, depending on whether you already have a logo uploaded. Click on this button to proceed with adding or replacing your logo. A media uploader will appear, giving you two options for getting your logo onto your site. You can either upload your logo image directly from your computer by clicking the Upload Files button, or if you've previously uploaded images to your site, you can select your logo from the media library. Choose whichever method works best for you. Once you've selected or uploaded your image, WordPress may prompt you to adjust the size of your logo to fit your theme's specifications. If a cropping interface appears, you have two choices here. You can click Skip Cropping if you want to use the entire image as is, or you can manually crop the image to focus on a specific area or adjust the dimensions. Most themes work best with properly sized logos, so cropping might help optimize how your logo appears across different devices. After you've made your cropping decision, click Crop Image to confirm your selection. Your logo will now be processed and applied to your site's header area. At this point, you should see your new logo appear in the live preview on the right side of the screen. Finally, to make these changes permanent and visible to your site visitors, click the Publish button at the top of the customizer. This saves all your modifications, and your new logo will now be live on your WordPress website. And that's it. You've successfully changed your logo in WordPress. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.